Hello everyone, here's my first YouTube video in which I'm presenting some useful and knowledgeable information for you all guys. Here's a motivational quote for you, and our first topic is related to NGOs, that is related to environment conservation in India. Now let's begin with our topic. Our first NGO is Agency for Non-Conventional Energy and Rural Technology, that is ANERT, which is established in 1986. Its headquarters in Thiruvananthapuram, that is in Kerala, and its objective is to gather useful knowledge in non-conventional energy. And the next one is Wildlife Trust of India, that is established in 1998. Its headquarters in Noida, UP. Its objective is to conserve wildlife and its habitat. And the next one is Wildlife Institute of India. Its headquarters in Dehradun, which is established in 1982 and comes under Ministry of Economic, Forest and Climate Change. Its objective is to train personnel at various levels for conservation and management of wildlife. And the next one is Center for Science and Environment, and which is established in 1980. Its headquarters in New Delhi, which its objective is to work as think tank on environment development issues in India, poor planning, climate shift, devastating, etc. And the next one is Environmentalist Foundation of India, started in 2007 but registered in 2011. Its headquarters in Chennai, Hyderabad, Puducherry and Coimbatore. Its objective are cleaning and scientific restoration of lakes in India for biodiversity. And the next one is Bombay Natural History Society, which is established in 1883. Its headquarters in Mumbai, and its objective is environment conservation and biodiversity research. And our next NGO is the Energy and Resource Institute, that is TERI, and it is established in 1974 and its headquarters in New Delhi, and its objective is to work towards global sustainable development. And the next one is Vindhya Ecology and Natural History Foundation, BENHF, established in 2012 and its headquarters in Mirzapur, that is in UP. Objective: work towards environmental equity and bringing ecological justice through research-based environmental litigation. And our next NGO is Save Aravali Trust, which is established in 2015. Its headquarters in Faridabad, that is in Haryana. Objective: afforestation and wildlife care and water conservation, environmental literacy, waste management. And the last one is that EKO Energy, which is established in 2013 and its headquarters in Helsinki, which is in Finland, and its objective is environmental protection. And that's all guys, and thank you everyone for seeing my video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment also. Bye bye.